So you want it, right? You want that dreamy, nostalgic vibe in your shots without the heavy lifting. Well, I got you covered. I know you're already thinking about Lightroom, DaVinci, grain, clarity and all that jazz, but getting the film look starts before you even press the shutter. This is how I get the film look before editing my photos. It's free and require no gear, although one specific piece of gear can make a huge difference, but I'll keep it for the end. Everything revolves around settings, and I use two main approaches to achieve the look. Let's start with the less controversial one. Set your ISO somewhere between 100 and 400 depending on the weather. Use an aperture between f11 and f16 and then set your shutter speed to around 1/125 or double. Why, you ask? Well, the so-called film look is mostly built on imperfection, like microblur, camera shakes and a touch of motion blur. Clearly, it's not always the case, and yes, it's a bit of a stereotype, but let's be honest. Emulating the film look is kind of stereotypical. Now, the next method, the most controversial one. Set your shutter speed and aperture based on the lighting condition. Chances are you'll want to go with f16 and a shutter speed of 1/500 or higher. Then, push your ISO as high as you can without ruining the final image. For me, using Sony, I go up to 10,000, where the digital noise is present, but still usable. Oh, and please, just try this method before having an heart attack. And of course, it wouldn't be a proper YouTube video without a bonus tip. And actually, I've got two. First, simple and effective Amy's filter. It softens the highlights and tones down the digital sharpness. Second, the secret weapon, a manual lens. Combining manual lenses with film-style shooting helps sell the emotion, and recreating the film look is all about embracing imperfection. Therefore, what better way than using a manual or a vintage lens? If you take a closer look at some of the iconic photos that shape the legacy of photography, especially street photography, you'll notice how many of them are slightly out of focus, clearly some more than others. But once you understand the concept, focus becomes less of a priority. This is what you asked for.